Hello everyone, super Saturday for you all. Thank you so much for coming by my channel. I had several of you all asked me questions, so I want to definitely do a Q&A session for you. So again, here's Cassandra from Albany, GA, and I am shooting live from my vehicle. I want to ask a couple of questions. I want to answer a couple of questions that have came to me. As you noticed, the other day I uploaded a video, and the video was all about affiliate marketing, the dream position. Go back to that video if you do not know what I was talking about, or if you have not actually clicked the link to see further information on it. But this is for the people that actually went through it and said, Cassandra, I have a couple questions before I pull the trigger. And I understand there's a lot going on out here. There's a lot of opportunities that people can choose from out here. So I want to help you make the best decision for yourself. And the number one question is, Cassandra, do I need a credit card for this business? Am I signing up for subscriptions that will require my credit card? No, you are not. This is not, I know exactly what you guys are talking about. I once myself, about several years ago, was involved in an opportunity that will pay you anywhere between $25, $50, $100 in order for us to be able to secure subscriptions for people, getting people to join outfits like Netflix, join outfits like Sprint, different various big universal companies that always was willing to pay for someone to actually join either a membership of their club or membership of their business, okay, or to buy a product. This is not that. So let me clear that up. Your card is not on subscription. You do not pay a monthly subscription. There is an investment involved. There is a small outlay, but they come in various levels, okay? You get to choose what level is best for your budget, okay? So that's question number one. Question number two, Cassandra, I hear people say I only have to, do 1 hour a day. Is this true? Absolutely. It's absolutely true. Now, here's the punch. I will tell you this. Once you get in and get involved, you're not going to just do 1 hour. You're going to be so engaged. And this is what this is all about. It's about engaging. It's about coming together and showing other people how they actually can do simple daily tasks on a regular basis so that they can actually secure a regular monthly income as well. These incomes can be weekly, they can be daily, they can be monthly. But starting out, I need you guys to understand that there is a progression, just like with everything. There is a progression when it comes to earning, and that progression comes from momentum. Momentum comes from daily task. That is exactly what's involved here. So did you understand that? The third question that I got was, Cassandra, does it really work? Absolutely. I was in less than 45 it was 45 hours, I think, and I received my first payment. Why? Because I did my daily task. I did what was lined up and what was outlaid for me in the membership area. You will have the same privilege to do the same. I assure you, it is paint by numbers. You'll do step by step, and you'll be rewarded for doing that. It all depends on what kind of time frame you would like to put in. Will an hour a day do? Will it really work? Absolutely, it will really work. Me, myself, I'm a go-getter. I am a persistent person, and I believe in consistency, so I do expect to yield even more because I love helping the masses, and this is an opportunity that will do just that. If you didn't see the video before, definitely check it out, or if you don't want to go back for whatever reason to see that video, that's fine. The description is below this video so that you can get firsthand knowledge of what this opportunity is all about and how you too can participate. Definitely feel free to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. go ahead and comment below. Hit the like button if you like my video. And also, please, by all means, share this video, because this is truly for the masses. This is a no-brainer paint by number opportunity, and I would love to have you join our family. Again, go ahead. If you have any additional questions, I'm going to make sure that I keep bringing these questions on here as they arrive in my inbox or in my email. Definitely at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Email me, ask me all the questions that you would like, but I would love for you to step in and see for yourself. Guys, don't sit on the fence with this one. This is really something that everyone can do. Paint by numbers. You do not have to figure out marketing. You do not have to figure out how to present yourself out here in the world. You do not have to do any brainstorming of any kind, because it's all laid out for you. If you can follow a few directions in a membership area that everyone is doing, I assure you, you can win as well. Guys, thank you so much again. Definitely subscribe, and definitely click the link below this video so that you'll get more firsthand knowledge on what we're doing and how this movement is beginning. Have a good one. Speak to you soon, and bye for now.